Assalamu alaikum, dear participants and dear viewers. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I will tell you about how to remember these alphabets. So we divide these into families, pairs, and single, so that we learn better. Let's start. There are 38 letters in Urdu alphabets, and we divided 4 families, 7 pair, and 7 single, and 8 single word. So let's start with our first family, that is Bay family. Let's repeat these words: Bay, Pe, Te, Te, Se. There are 5 words in Bay family. Now we move to the second family, that is Jim family, and there are 4 words in Jim family. Let's start with Jim, Che, He, He. Our third family is Dal family, and Dal family consists 3 words. Let's start with Dal, Dal, Zal. Our fourth family is Re family, and let's start with Re family. Re, Re, Ze, Yuan. Re, Re, Ze, Yuan. Now we start our first pair. First pair is Alif, Alif, Mad, A. First pair is Alif, Alif, Mad, A. What is first pair? First pair Alif, Alif, Mad, A. Our second pair is Sin, Sheen, Sin, Sheen, Sin, Sheen, Sin, Sheen. Next pair in third pair is Swad, Zwad, Swad, Zwad, Swad, Zwad, Swad, Zwad, Swad, Zwad. Our fourth pair is Toy, Zuai, Toy, Zuai, Toy, Zuai, Toy, Zuai. Our fifth pair is Ain, Wine, Ain, Wine, Ain, Wine, Ain, Wine. Our sixth pair is Qaf, Ghaf, Qaf, Ghaf, Qaf, Ghaf, Qaf, Ghaf. And our last seventh pair is Choti Ye, Badi Ye. You may call Ye, Choti Ye, Badi Ye, Choti Ye, Badi Ye, Choti Ye, Badi Ye. And last we discuss our single word. The first word is Fe, Qaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Wa, He, Hamza. That is all about it.